What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Trading Mindset, where we dig deep into what it really takes to thrive in the world of trading. Steve is your host today, and he's going to talk about something that sounds boring but is actually one of the most important parts of trading success: developing a trading routine that works.
Hello, I'm Steve, your host for today. I've been trading for 15 years now. I've seen everything from overnight millionaires to people blowing up their accounts within weeks. The one thing I can tell you is this: without a solid routine, you're setting yourself up for failure. Let's get into why having a structured routine is a game changer and how you can build one that suits you. So, here's the deal. Trading is a mental game more than anything else. It's not about having some holy grail strategy. Strategies are important, but what keeps you consistent is your routine. And when I say routine, I'm talking about everything from how you prepare for the trading day to how you review your trades afterward. A good routine makes your day predictable, even when the markets aren't. You can't control the price action, but you can control how you approach it. Think about elite athletes. Let's take a fighter, someone like Georges St-Pierre or Khabib. You know what makes them great? It's not just their skill, it's their discipline. They train the same way, day in and day out, whether they're getting ready for a fight or not. Trading's the same. If you don't have a disciplined approach, your emotions are going to mess you up. So let's break down what a good trading routine looks like. Here's a basic framework, but you'll need to tweak it to fit your life and your personality. I start every day by going over my charts. This isn't about jumping into trades right away. It's about understanding the market conditions. Is the market trending? Is it choppy? Any major news coming out? I check my economic calendar for events like interest rate announcements or earnings reports. Basically, I'm trying to get the mood of the market before I start trading. Once I know what the market looks like, I set my targets. What's my risk tolerance for the day? What's my goal? Am I going for quick scalps, or am I holding a swing trade? I write this stuff down, man. Seriously, write it down. If you don't, you'll end up winging it, and that's when bad trades happen. When I'm in a trade, I follow my plan to the letter. If I set a stop loss, I don't move it just because the market's moving against me. And man, this is where most traders mess up. They get emotional. You got to keep your emotions in check. Have you ever heard the saying, plan your trade, trade your plan? That's the mantra. If you stick to your routine, you don't second-guess yourself. All right, so let's say the trading day is over. This is the part that most beginners skip, the post-market review. I get it, you're tired, the market's closed, you just want to shut down your computer and relax. But trust me, reviewing your trades is where the magic happens. You look at what worked and what didn't. Did you follow your plan? Or did you get emotional and make impulsive decisions? Did you enter a trade too early? Or did you hesitate and miss a good setup? This reflection is crucial. Keeping a trading journal is the best way to do this. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just jot down your trades, how you felt, what the outcome was, and what you learned. Over time, you'll start to see patterns, both in the market and in your behavior. Here's where people really get tripped up. Everyone's looking for that one big trade, that one huge win that'll change everything. But let me tell you, the best traders are the ones who are consistently good, not occasionally great. Consistency comes from your routine. It's doing the same thing day in and day out. No shortcuts. No skipping steps. If you focus on the process and not the profits, the money will come. But if you focus on making money and ignore your routine, you'll end up losing more than you win. Trading is about long-term survival, not short-term excitement. If you want to be in this game 10 or 15 years down the line, you got to fall in love with the routine, with the process. The profits are just a byproduct. Look, not everyone's routine is going to look the same. Some of you might be night owls, others early birds. Some traders love scalping quick moves, others like long-term swing trades. The key is to create a routine that fits your style and lifestyle. And once you've built that routine, stick to it. That's the real secret. Trust me, it's not the flashy stuff that'll keep you in the game. It's the discipline to stick to your routine no matter what. All right, that's a wrap for today's episode. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Mindset. If you're serious about improving your trading game, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got more episodes coming up that dive deep into the world of trading psychology and strategies. Until next time, keep grinding, keep learning, and remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint.